I'm Mike Goldstein, founder of EZDatingCoach.com and your personal dating coach. Today's topic is the most shocking thing that men want from women. This is such an amazing topic because it's just confusing and it doesn't make any sense to women, but it makes perfect sense to men. So I'm going to try to explain it so that all of you understand it. And that one shocking thing is men want their women to be over the moon happy. And it doesn't quite make sense because the thing they want is something for you, for the woman. And like, well, we know men are selfish a lot of the time. And so shouldn't the things that men want be something for ourselves, for men? And the good news is the man still is selfish. This actually is for him. And so let me explain it to you, and hopefully it'll make sense. So the man, when you are happy, gets these feelings. He feels needed. With the right woman, he feels appreciated. He feels that he has value. And these are things that he's craving to feel. Because in his everyday life, he doesn't always get to feel these things. He doesn't always feel needed. You know, sometimes with powerful women that are wildly independent, that have great jobs, have amazing careers, have a wonderful family, have friends, just do everything themselves. Where's his spot? He might not have one unless that woman has been watching a lot of these videos and realizes, all right, I have this amazing career and job, but I'm still going to appreciate the crap out of my man. I'm going to make room for him. And I'm going to say, wow, thank you so much for, getting me the sugar at Starbucks and bringing that over here. She makes him feel needed. And so when she smiles, when she's ear to ear, he's like, I'm doing my job. Like, I'm of value. Like, nothing is more manly, nothing is more masculine, more testosterone producing than having your woman ear to ear smiling because of things you've done. You setting up the date, you pulling out her chair, helping her with her coat, a man courting her, making her feel special, setting things up, planning, making her feel special, telling her how beautiful she is, just compliments and focused conversation where the eyes just never leave her eyes, and just she's radiating because you're enthralled by what she's talking about, you're enthralled by her facial expressions, you're in it. And that is what a man wants, is this amazing euphoric feeling of being with you and making you happy and delivering that and feeling like, I am a better man because I'm with you and because of how I can, you're already happy, but I'm also adding to that. I'm the icing on the cake. I can deliver dates. I can deliver more intimacy and help with this process, and I can give. So what I'd be curious is, go in the comments. Are you shocked by this, that men just want to make women happy? I'm really curious what you guys think, because I talk about this all the time, and women are like, that's the thing men want? That's what men want? Are you sure, Mike? And yes, I've spoken to thousands of men. This is what we want. Absolutely. But I want to know what you guys think. Like, is Mike crazy? So I've also got something special for you, which Helena is nice enough to throw in the description, and we'll plop it as the top comment. It's how to get and keep a guy forever. This is a great video. It's really useful. So go get your hands on it. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful. And also in the comments, if you want another video from me, let me know what topic you want to hear from me about. I'd love to kind of cater this to you guys instead of just me winging it. So I appreciate that. And love you guys, and we will see you next time.